Yes.
Come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency. Come and see. Defi bully. Nasa Binkabi. Subscribe to me. Me just bingo. In a crypto. Brand new money as I wake up. Hit the bell. Get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe.
What's up, what's up, what's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Binkabi. This is Defi bully. Yes, it's true. They got me. The scammers got me. In this video, I'm gonna go over what happened exactly. How did I fall for a scam again? And my strategies moving forward because of this. Okay. And also the launches of Golden Goose, Cat Swag, and yeah, and just this Piston token. Now, people, before I get into this video, go over to the YouTube channel. That's this one right here. Hit that notification bell. This time sensitive. Subscribe. Hit that red subscribe button and like this video because I'm about to tell y'all some crazy stuff. And I mean, it can happen to any one of us. So pay attention, people. So today I woke up, checked my Telegram. Boom. And then I seen a message saying that Piston token is about to go live. I'm excited, just like everybody else. Been up all night anticipating this. And blase. I go over to the Telegram group. Someone had the same logo. Caught me by complete surprise. They made it look official. These scammers are getting better, people. So you gotta be careful. They had a contract address posted, and me, naive, beyond my best judgment, I actually copied the contract address, threw a quick $350 on it. Right after I sent it, it's like it just clicked to me. Oh my God, they got me. Lost that $350. I had an additional $400 I had, so I went ahead and invested that into this the official launch of Piston token. Rode up that first wave and try to catch a sell then a downcline. Okay, trading is not my strong point, people, but I was able to exit with $1,800. So I put in $400, left with $1,800. That's including my $247 that I had during the My Diamond Team version 2 pre-sale that I bought in on. So now I heard about the Cat Swag, transferred $200 over to the Chronos Smart Chain. If you guys heard about Cat Swag, if you didn't, it's like an NFT based system coming out. Let me see if I can show a quick video clip or picture or something of how this looks. They'll go right there.
Cat swag making mad
you know, they didn't release their NFTs or anything yet, but I've heard like some little talks around it. Shout out Ryan in my Telegram group, the Bullpen Millionaires. He caught on to like some talks about it and just gave me some pointers, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and throw a little thing at it just to see if I can make some gains off of this. This goes to show you my well, this actually leads to my next point, my new strategy moving forward when it comes to these. Yes, so that leads to my next point. My new strategy moving forward when it comes to these launches is, if you're not, well, to me, if I'm not in a pre-sale or I didn't have a white list, I'm not jumping in that launch. I can't beat y'all bots. These bots is too fast. I try to catch the pump and I always miss it or reach at the top, and yeah, it's frustrating when you're losing your hard-earned money. And I'm pretty sure a lot of other people out there been through something similar or even got wrecked way worse than this. So my $1,800, I said I threw $200 on Cat Swag. Boom. The price of that plummeted. It went down after a while, and I tried to save at least 100, so I took 100 back out of there. I was like, forget that. And then the launch of Golden Goose started. I believe I put, like, if I remember properly, like 1,600 or. I basically put the bag on Golden Goose because it was something highly anticipated, something I was looking forward to. I talked about it on his channel right here, and they actually started where you can actually stake into the contract and earn that 1.5% right here. Now I did not jump into this as yet, so I missed that initial pump, and I bought at a high and lost basically half the money, people. Half the money. Was able to leave with $1,000 loss on that trade. Horrible. Just horrible. And I'm new to this, people, just like a lot of people in this space. but I'm trying to learn as fast as I can so I could teach others not to pretty much fall for the same mistakes and not to make the same mistakes that I have. Now, so to be honest, with all the losses today, I was actually still positive 200 profit. So that's actually still okay. But if you include the scamming thing that happened to me earlier, I'm actually down $100. I'm negative $100. So I mean, it could have happened to anybody. Um, Sadly, it happened to me. I'm optimistic. I end up throwing the last $800 I had into the Piston when it was at $16. And as you can see now, I'm definitely down on that. Because this actually, as I've been recording this video, dropped from 16 to 13. I believe it's going to get back to 16 and probably even back to 30 once they open the staking platform on this and once the race starts in 16 hours from the time of this video. So I'm not really too worried about that. It's just the losses. I know a lot of times people ask like, oh, is this safe? Can you lose money? Yes, you can lose money. Whoa, Splash, is this true? I'm hearing that Splassive wrecked. What? Oh man, breaking news. Splassive Splash token has wrecked according to Big D Dripper in my Telegram group. And now I had to look deeper into that, and that just took my whole mind off of everything else I was about to bring up. Hopefully that's not true, but let's take a look at that right now, real time, people. Oh my gosh. Is this true? The price is at $3? There's no way. There's no way, people. There's no way. Oh my god. I'm about to cut this video short. This is too much losses for one video. This cannot be real. So I'm gonna just go over my strategy moving forward. If I don't have a whitelist spot, I'll just wait till after the first pump, then I'll jump in. When it seems like it consolidated and found a floor, then I'll jump in comfortably without taking so much of a loss. Although with this happening with Splassive, it shows that there's no really telling what could happen in this space. You can make a lot of money, you can lose a lot of money. You gotta be smart. You gotta learn from people's mistakes and pretty much just do what you can. Only invest the money that you're willing to lose because you could lose all your money. Okay. Lucky for me, I'm an optimistic person. I can figure out different ways to build this money back. This does seem pretty sad though, if it's true. What's going on with this Splassive? I'm gonna connect to this. Oh wow. Okay, this thing's moving super slow right now, people. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, I think I just seen the price of Splash say. Look at this. Let's see. Wow, it did. My 31 Splash are now worth $120. Now I know everybody gonna be letting out videos on this. Whole bunch of losses. Man, I don't know what's going on there, people, but hopefully you got to save some of your bags during this crazy, crazy time. Shout out to everybody that made gains today. And if you lost, let's just work together building it back up. Hit that like button, you know what I mean? And just join the family and let's try to like get some gains for the future. I ain't gonna make this one too long. I got something I gotta take care of. I've been stalling to drop this video. Should have dropped it from earlier, but I wouldn't have caught this Splassive exploit. So I'm gonna dig deeper into this and probably show some. It says hackers are the reasoning. Wow. Wow, hackers are the reasoning for this exploit, and how I'm not sure how everybody got their money out. If they were staked, they probably was just holding it. I'm not really sure what's going on, but I'll get some more information and get back to you guys with that. So y'all stay safe, stay blessed. I'm out.